Excellency himself will be able to mention your names one by one and your states. Chief.
Your Excellency, sir, and all other great leaders of our party in Nigeria.
It's not going to book first and our state.
Thank you very much for the self-introduction. The life from the left is Alaji Tari Shagari, former minister.
Say one governor retired, they go to Senate. When Governor Song retired to Senate, Song promote the young to grow. That's why I'm here. I'm here supporting my own junior brother. That's why I decided I agree with him for governors to go for Senate. When you are governor, at least you have reached the level at the peak in your own level. That's why my governor, my junior brother, decided to aspire for #1 seat. He's not aspiring just for the sake of aspiring, because I know personally he's capable and he can do it. Before I come to him, I want to thank you, the chairman, who accepted our invitation to be here. And also to salute you for the courage. When you decided to join politics, you are not greedy. You decided to take political party offices. You didn't go for Senate, House or Reps. You just want to serve. But without you, nobody will raise any question. So I want to thank you for accepting to be in politics and to hold party offices up to the chairman level. But mind you, this game, I have been in politics for the last 45 years. Since 76, I started politics. And one funny thing, I started as local government party chairman. And I was the state chairman of Sokoto, Zamfara, Kebbi. I was the state chairman. I was the national chairman of AMPP, and then UNCP, and the rest of it. But one thing I want to just advise you, because you are on, in the way we are playing politics in Nigeria, the party leaders are not supposed to be given what they are supposed to be given. Without you, nobody can fulfill his ambition. But one day, some of them, when they climb the ladder, you are the ladder. And then immediately they climb the ladder, they throw the ladder, push the ladder away. So now, none of you is a small boy, you are mature enough to have friends who are politicians. My governor, he didn't join politics because he wanted to become a governor, no. He served for the party before he became what he is today. He knows what it takes in the party structure to run the affairs of the party, to serve others. That's why God made him to where he is today. The mistake you chairmen are doing, you have to make friends, because political track is very delicate to enter. The man here that I'm with him, he will never in life abandon you. If I know he's going to abandon you, honestly speaking, I will not be with you. Because as tall as I am, if I cross, this is the man. So I don't want you to come a finger to me. So I don't want to. So I know what I am following. And I'm confident that he will never disappoint you once he's there. So two things, the trust that you will put on him, already he trusts on you, and his love is going to rely on you and God to help him to assist to be there. Because some of them, or some of us politicians, we just join politics because we want to be governor, we want to become president. We haven't started from anywhere to serve the party. And like you, immediately after this is over, they'll forget about you. So please try and establish a friend who is trustworthy to be with. I want to thank you again for accepting his invitation to come and listen to him, so that by the time you listen to him, you will agree with what I'm telling you. And I'm telling you, you will never regret. You will never regret by associating himself with you. Whether he got it or not, when you are his friend, he's his friend forever. I rest my case. Thank you very much.
Who are here looking for you?
Chairman, in terms of stakeholding, in terms of leadership, in terms of reaching out to the grassroots. They are key and critical mass of leadership of our party at the state level and at that level that is very, very important. So the interaction has been very wonderful, mutually beneficial, and I believe that we are beginning to consolidate on our partnership with them.
So when you talk about the interaction, can you give us a hint of what it's about?
Well, it is about consultation on the possibility of my running for the office of the president and seeking the mandate of our party members and leaders as the standard flag bearer of the PDP in 2023 presidential election.
Your party will start sales of forms for the nation and expression of interest from tomorrow. And considering the time, are you done with consultation? Are you available?
No, consultations are ongoing, and we will have to comply with the INEC guidelines as a responsible political party. So nothing stops the consultation from continuing.
Do you think your party stands a chance?
Our party stands a chance. Our party is the party to beat in Nigeria today.
So what's your message to party stakeholders as you continue?
Unity of purpose and understanding and working together for us to actually realize the all important goal of rescuing Nigeria. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, are you ready? Yes. Okay, sir. You just had an interaction with the Governors Forum party chairman. We want to know the position of the chairman regarding the interactive section.
Well, I will know that this is a season of interactive activity with various interest groups, and the chairman of the Governors Forum is one of the pillars of the party in the country, and incidentally, he is also one of the presidential aspirants. So he only called us to inform us officially of his interest to go into the race and to seek our support like any other aspirant.
So what would be your advice to him and other aspirants who are also contesting another day? Because I know you...
We are more interested in the unity of the party as our number one cardinal objective, because we believe that the party as PDP has to come back to rescue Nigeria. And we are asking everybody to join forces. We cannot have more than one president at a time. And therefore, all others, there must be unity of purpose amongst them, like just among all other members of the party. We want to move together and we want to make sure that whoever picks the ticket wins the election. So to us, it is not just an issue of primaries, it's an issue of the secondary election, which is more important.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, your name, sir?
My name is Felix Asashat, Chairman, Kaduna State, and Chairman, Forum of PDP Chairman in Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.